The 102 brush is your best friend for creating dimension on your skin. It's got a really lovely tapered shape, which makes it really easy to place product very precisely on the skin, and then also to have a light touch to blend it out. So I'm going to use my favourite contour powder just to create a little bit of shape to my face. So as you can see, I'm just stroking the product onto the areas where I want the most intensity of colour. And then I'm using almost like a soft circular motion just to buff it right into the skin. We want this to look as natural as possible and really seamless. I also like to take a little bit just underneath the jawline. This just helps to define the face a little bit, and it also gives the benefit of making sure that you're one uniform colour from top to bottom. So the lighter your touch with this brush, the more precise the application is going to be. If you press very lightly, you're going to get the very tip of the brush, whereas if you press more firmly, the bristles will splay a little, and that'll give you a wider surface area to give a big blend. So if you're creating something like a contour, just press very lightly on the skin.